Hi, I'm Warren Cook. Today, I will catch the train. Yay, I catch the train.
I agree with Warren Cook.
Warren, I heard you catch the train.
No, it's too.
Let's go home right now. So Warren, why did you catch the train?
Yes, I did.
Oh Warren Cook, I can't believe you catch the train. That's it. You are grounded for 1, 9, 8, 3, 7, 8, 9, 7, 2, 6, 5, 1, 3, 4, 9, 1, 9, 8, 3, 1, 8, 7, 8, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 Go to your grounded room right now.
Woo you 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 ha 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 ha. Yay, I grounded Warren Cook. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tenison-Woods.